Hi guys, here's my recap for the day. So MO was pretty good to me. It was a harmonious chart, gapping down on the daily, and all the moving averages are above the price actions. So I took it short here at almost the close of this candlestick because I saw this bearish wick for a potential opening range breakdown, but I got stopped out. Then I saw this wedge forming above the VWAP, but it was not having the power to go above VWAP. So I saw this wedge forming. I took it short here, and as soon as I took it short, it went down. But I covered too early. This could have easily been a 6 to 1 trade, but I covered too early, so I hate myself for this. I only got maybe 3 to 1 from this trade, and I lost maybe 1 hour. So up until now, I was only up 2 hour. But then I made up for that mistake on MO. So MO was again very good to me. This is a very nice trade. So it kind of made a double bottom here. Then it went up, but I have noticed this from my journals that if a stock is gapping down, it's bearish, and then it squeezes up, it normally holds the 50 on the 1 minute chart. So for example, if 50 is above VWAP, it will most likely go to 50 and then head down lower. But in this case, 50 was below VWAP. So I was looking for a continuation lower. So I took it short here and with the stop loss above VWAP at this level, 43.09. And this time, as soon as it went below 50, it just went down. So that was very good trade. I like MO was very good to me. Both the shorts turned out to be very good. I like stocks going down on me if I'm short. And my first partial was at 3 to 1. And then in total, I got around 4 to 1 from this trade. And I got stopped out at the break of 50 SMA. Then I took MU with Andrew as well. This trade was the first trade was on my own. So MU was forming a wedge. I took it short here and I got stopped out. Then I took it long with Andrew. I took 25% out here. I got stopped out again. So in total, this was maybe minus 1.75 hour loss. So then let's move over to PCG. PCG was again a very good trade. It's kind of a Christmas tree, so I will go through it very, very fast. So PCG was a very nice short at the open, but with CMAC I was not having short availability. That's why I was not able to take it short, or definitely I would have taken it short because it gapped up, but the pre-market was bearish. So I know myself, I would have taken it short here, just below the 50 on the one, but I was not having shares for stock short, and it was later on I saw that it's holding this trend line. Plus, it made an ABCD pattern on the 5 minutes chart. If you look here, it's forming ABCD pattern on the 5. So I went long here with a stop loss at the low of this candlestick, and I got stopped out to the penny. Like, see, I got stopped out to the penny. I was like, ah, damn it. And then as soon as I got stopped out, it went up. So I went long here with the stop loss here, and so my share size was very less because my stop was higher than it previously was. But I took most of my position out at VWAP, but I saw that it's a harmonious chart. It's above all the moving averages, and not on daily, but it's above the moving averages on the 5, on the 15. So I went long again, added to my position, and I took most of my position out here, and then I got out completely. But I saw that this it formed a huge hammer on the one. So I went long again, but I got stopped out. My risk was VWAP in this case, so this is a 1 hour loss. Then I went long again because I don't know why, I had a feeling that it will break the 11.09. The high of the day was 11.09, so I had a feeling it will break because I saw a lot of green on the time and sales. That's why I went long again. I took some out here. I was holding some of my position so that it can go higher to 11, break the 11 and go higher to 11.09, but it never did, and I got stopped out at the break of 50 on the one. So these are my trades for the day. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'm ending this week strong. All my days except Monday, all my days were green. Monday was a small red. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and have a good weekend. See ya.